Hey Bindang, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. I was thinking about organizing my room, but that's not very exciting. What about you?
I am planning to go hiking with some friends on Saturday. You should join us.
That sounds fun. Where are you going?
We are heading to Pink Village. It's about an hour drive from here. The trail there has an amazing view of the sunset.
The sun amazing. What time are you leaving?
Probably around 7 a.m. so we can start hiking early and avoid the heat.
Checking my schedule. Good attack every. What's called every?
Choose comfortable clothes, good hiking shoes, water, and maybe some snacks. Oh, and don't forget sunscreen.
Good it. Let you know by tonight. If we can make it, maybe we can plan something and for Sunday.
Sounds good. Let me know Sunday call be a movie or a coffee day if you are up for it.
Perfect. Thank you later. Thanks for inviting me.
Anytime. Hope you can make it.